Video tour of Riverbend Subdivision!
Guys, let's hit it! Hi, it's Alan Victoria. Welcome to our channel and podcast.
And if this is your first time in our podcast and YouTube channel, please subscribe and get notified.
Also, we get calls and texts all the time at 252-327-3357. So hi, here we are in the Riverbend Subdivision here in Greenville, North Carolina. This is a newer community built by a national builder. We're just going to give you a little sample of these houses because they do build, and when they're building, it's pretty good because they build pretty fast. So this community, I know that what's nice about this community is you are still in Greenville. You are still getting everything close to Greenville, but you are still getting, instead of a house, you're getting a house, and you're getting a nice house. It's a brand new house. I know that they come with security systems, and these are just built for space in the house, to utilize space. That is kind of the philosophy of this builder. So anyway, let's talk about it. So this is a nice community. Some have slate, some have vinyl. All of them have 2-car garages, and it's brand new. So you can be in a brand new house for like the low 300s here in the Greenville area, which is pretty nice. So want to tell me, what are the schools?
Yeah, as my wife said,
according to the MLS.
Other than 2 models, most of the models are over 2,000 square feet, but the lot acres are not as big as many other places. It's between 0.14 to 0.19 acres. And the schools are Easterns for elementary according to MLS, Hope for middle school, and D.H. Conley for the high school. But for most of this, we passed the stage 1 that finished in 2021. Now this
we're coming into stage 2, which is being built right now, and then stage 3 is going to come later.
Yes, this is a stage 2 that is all built in this street. What is this? This is Riverstone.
Right,
no?
so there are basically 6 models in this community that you can pick from. And again, you are super close to everything. I mean, you could literally, if you need to, walk to the Walmart and walk to the Aldi if you want to. That's how close you are to things, but you are still in a nice subdivision in the back where nobody's going to see. So,
and then the HOA for this area is $295 a year. And we can save, as my wife said, Aldi, Walmart is close by, Harris Teeter and Food Lion, definitely you can access. East Carolina, ECU Health
is
6.4 miles from here. And now we are going to basically Rolling Meadows. And this is the sandstone drive. We go to Rollins Meadows, and you see these houses is completed. The next 2 are almost completed, and this is a stage 3 that you see that they are building. No, this the one that is coming is a stage 3 on the other side of the road. And now we're gonna go to again Riverstone Drive, and now these houses actually they're gonna be ready in end of November and end of December, these houses. And basically from East Carolina University we are 4.5 miles. We have other medical center like Medical Center 1, Greenville Healthcare, ECU Physician, and my wife wanted to tell you a couple of the restaurants around here.
I mean, these are just some restaurants. I have children, we have children, so I'm always thinking in terms of what would be good for my children. That's going to be one of the bigger ones. But anyway, I want to kind of mention that there's Cubby's, Carolina Ale House is close, Nuke's Eatery, Zoe's Kitchen, but it is whatever it is that you want to eat at, we have here in Greenville. We have pretty much everything in Greenville. I know you saw a lot of new construction today, but these houses are going to be done fast, and we would love to talk to you about these. If you are interested in getting a house in this community with the schools that we discussed and, you know, at the good price for brand new, let us know. Tell us in the comments what community you want us to check out next. Can't wait to see you. Bye. I hope you loved our driving tour of the Riverbend subdivision. If you have any questions about this area, and if you are looking to buy or sell in this area, we love talking to you. Please don't be shy.
Call us at 252-327-3357.